All right, so now I'm mixing the milk. I'm pouring the milk into the bottles. I just mixed it. 2 quarts each. So I mixed the milk in this small bucket. It's a lot better doing it in the bucket than just doing it individually, because since I gotta feed 3 calves, I mix the whole thing in the bucket, the right portions, and then I just pour it right into the bottles. For me, it's been a lot easier doing it that way. So, oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, I went over. Let me pour a little more here. Maybe a little more here. And we should be good to go. Alright, so now we're gonna feed these calves, because I know they're hungry. Mateo! Mateo! There you go, come on. And then we'll feed him. He's hungry, super hungry. I know you guys are hungry. Can you help me, Mateo? Can you come hold a bottle real quick? Come on. Can you hold this bottle right here? This one? Right here. Just hold it up. Remember? Up, like this. Okay. Don't move it. Look at, she's laying the egg. Where? The chicken.
I can't see. Oh,
right.
Yeah. Oh.
So just hold it up, okay? No, don't move the bottle. Remember? Focus.
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 Focus. What about that one?
Yeah, we'll give him the bottle right now. We can't do all 3 at the same time.
What? This is red, this is red.
Hold the bottle straight so
red,
you can drink. Yeah, like that. Good job.
You're moving it.
So once we're done feeding the calves, then we're gonna put we put some bedding already on them. A lot of bedding, so it could be nice and comfortable. And then I gotta give him some pills, because he possibly have a diarrhea, and I don't want him to get dehydrated.
Or die.
So I gotta work on him as soon as possible.
Or die.
This hose it popped, but I'm gonna let that bucket fill up with water. I don't need it. I'll use it later. I don't need that water later. So yeah, everybody. So I'm just showing you guys what I do every day with these animals. Showing you guys the real deal, just in case you want to have animals at your place. Yeah, they're beautiful. It's beautiful having animals, livestock. Beautiful, but guess what? It's a big commitment. It's a big commitment, having all these animals here, all this life. Good boy, good boy. Oh, he's happy. You happy, Hassan? Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Oh, Good boy. So yeah, I just took Hassan out. He's ho 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 ho. I had him on that. They were on that shelter for a while, and they're happy to be out. So I'm moving them to a bigger shelter out there. Definitely. We're gonna start working them outside. Also, they can run and work, and I made a bigger shelter. I mean, a bigger round pen area. I'm gonna call that the mud lot for sure. Oh. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hala para allá. Good boy. Jose, let's take them for a walk. Give him a couple pills and give him some electrolytes right away.
Yeah, sure.
To keep him dehydrated. To keep him hydrated. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming, little brownie. It's coming. Kick, Rose. Come on, just hold it. Here, maybe.
Can't hold that one.
Give her some air right there so I can suck on it. Here, like that. Good job. And then I'm gonna take this one and go do some bedding on the big calves over there, the ones that we just weaned. Put some bedding on them so they can be comfortable. It's raining outside. It's a little chilly. Not super cold. Thank God for that. I'll have this weather all day long rather than, gosh, 10 below, 20 below, or even zeros. So I'm alright. The only difference is that it's raining outside and it's very, very muddy outside. So that's why you gotta have some nice boots. And that's the reason why I went and bought me some boots a few weeks at Cabela's. I got me some nice insulated boots. The real deal. I think they call Mucks. This is my second pair. Well, the first pair, they were not like this. They were just a little cheaper. Some good ones too, but these ones are real nice. Insulated. I think it's about 18 or 16 grade of insulation. And real nice, comfortable boots. Real comfortable. Sometimes I take them to work. That's how comfortable they are. So the pigs are good now. Which one? Yeah, just spread all the hay.
Oh, that one.
Just spray all the hay so it can be nice and fluffy. Yep, good job, good job. Hi, just stay in there. They're hungry. Want to eat? Good job, like that. Don't put your mouth into them, okay? Oh.
This will need a big pad.
Oh boy.
What?
I think this one has diarrhea.
Why? Where?
So I'm gonna give him those pills just in case.
I'm going on this one there. No, that one's already done. I just have to look at it. Pika Gaga.
Yeah, it's diarrhea. I gotta give him the medicine before it gets worse.
Yeah.
What?
My tummy's in there.
I still gotta make it.
Hey.
1 second, okay? I'm coming, big fella. I'm coming. I'm coming, big guy. I'm coming, big boy. Right there. I'm gonna put some straw in there too. It's really comfortable. Just put bedding on all of them, so it can at least be comfortable. Okay. Oh yeah, careful. So yeah, everybody, so that's what we got going on today. Just morning feeding, regular routine. The only difference is that it's raining outside today. And Scarlett, come here. Oh, they got a lot of room, Dad. Look at them. Tons of room. Look at that. Good girls, good boy, good, good. Good job. Look at you. You're happy now, Hassan. Scarlett, Tina, they get to run now. Yeah, I definitely do. I gotta get a couple better halters. Yeah. Put all the stuff in there. Oh, just right there, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Latina, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. So right now, I'm getting the horses into their new stalls, everybody. Come on, it's okay. Come on, come on. Come on, it's okay. Come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. Oh, God. Sorry, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. Go. 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 It's okay. Back up. Alright. Let me bring the other horse outside. Oh boy. Hi, Tina. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay. Still move too fast. Sounds good. All right. It's okay. It's okay. Here. Oh gosh, let me bring the other one out. It's gonna start raining pretty bad. So bringing the horses inside right now into the new stalls in here, which they're gonna be great. No, I don't know if I want to open this up yet. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You gotta trust the process. Oh. It's okay. 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 Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Look at me. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine, Baba. You're fine. Okay? You're gonna be fine. It's okay. Listen to me. Trust me, okay? Trust me. You're fine. I'm doing this for you guys. Doing all this for you guys, so you guys can be better here, okay? This is for you. All right? You'll be fine. Come on. We gotta go in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I don't know if I want to open that up right now, because they still gotta get used to it. They're not used to it being here at all. And I'm putting a little some hay here just so they can be comfortable and they don't slit. I'll put a little more right now. Oh gosh. So this is what I got going on, everybody. Hassan, come on. Oh, Scarlett, I don't know if I want to. Oh, oh. Come on. Good girl. Oh, oh. Good girl. Good girl. Oh gosh. It's okay, Athena, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, maybe if I open Scarlett's, she'll be fine. That would, she can at least get her. Come on. Hassan, come on. Son. Come on. Let's go in there. Oh, oh. José, dejaste la puerta abierta. Dejaste esa puerta abierta. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. No. No, no, no. Not right now, Jose. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Oh, oh. Oh. It's okay. Good boy, good boy. Oh, oh. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. Oh, oh. Oh. Hey. Oh. Well, no, I'm gonna take this water. Well, we gotta fill up the water tank over there for the pigs. Oh. You said what? Sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. No, let it fill up real quick. Well, yeah, it is muddy. Be careful, okay? Don't get too wet, Ezequiel. Mateo. Okay. Let's go. Let me fill up this water real good and then we'll go out there.
Bobby, keep my blue.
No, come on, not yet. We'll clean it when we go inside the house. Oh, and then they're talking about low temperatures again out tonight. I mean, not freezing temperatures, but it's gonna be cold. Oh boy. It is what it is. That's Wisconsin for y'all. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna fill up the tank for the pigs real quick. I mean, the female pig here. I gotta clean all this junk. When summer comes, I'm gonna move them, put them on the other side where there's some fresh grass and you name it. So that's my plan. Oh gosh. No. It's not gonna work. Gosh. I gotta do that. Let me go get the other nipple and finish that job and get it out the way. So this is what I got going on today. Not easy, but it's doable. Gosh. So this is when you want to live